In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Motorola Edge 60 Pro. So first of all we need to turn off our phone, so we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go. And then we're gonna tap on power off. Once the phone is completely off, what we need to do is press and hold the power button and volume down button. So press and hold both buttons, and soon after that we should be in the fast boot mode. Over here use volume up or down in order to choose a different option, to scroll through different options, and once we have recovery mode, confirm by pressing the power button. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. We will see the Hello Moto screen again. And after that we have this no command text with that Android logo. So in this case we need to press and hold the power button, and then once you are holding the power button we need to press volume up. Something like this, and then we can release the power button again. Over here once again we navigate by using volume buttons, and we confirm our choice by pressing power button. So in order now to exit the recovery mode, we need to simply choose the reboot system now option and just confirm by pressing the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.